Buckle up, it's Word Up with Sofia. We're about to learn something new. Today's word is grateful. Can you say it with me? Grateful. Nice job, let's keep going. Grateful means feeling thankful or showing appreciation. Now let's learn some words that mean the same thing. These are called synonyms. Say them with me. Thankful, appreciative, glad, pleased, obliged, content, blessed. And now the opposite, these are antonyms. Words that mean the opposite of grateful. Say them with me. Ungrateful, unthankful, rude, thankless, disrespectful, insensitive, inconsiderate. Here's how we use it in a sentence. Sofia felt grateful for her family and friends. Let's review. Grateful means feeling thankful or showing appreciation. Synonyms: thankful, appreciative, glad, pleased, obliged, content, blessed. Antonyms: ungrateful, unthankful, rude, thankless, disrespectful, insensitive, inconsiderate. Your turn. Use the word grateful in a sentence today. And remember, stay curious, another word is coming your way soon.